15 classic cars, prices starting at just $500, and one genuine muscle car hiding in the middle of the list. Let's see which one is the best deal.
Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking a look at 15 classic American cars from all across the country. We've got everything from a rare Chevrolet Corvair and a luxurious Packard to a first-generation Mustang, a Cadillac DeVille, and even a real Oldsmobile 442. Some of these vehicles are ready to drive, some need a complete restoration, and a few could become incredible projects for the right owner. As always, we're going to look at the good, the bad, and everything in between. So, let's get started.
Car number 1, 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900, $3,500. Here's a 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900, located in Boonville, Mississippi, with an asking price of just $3,500. This four-door sedan shows 57,970 miles and comes finished in red inside and out. According to the seller, the interior was restored a few years ago, and the car has spent most of its life inside a collector's garage. The engine turns freely, the floor pans are solid, and only minor surface rust is visible. With its unusual rear-mounted air-cooled engine design, the Corvair remains one of the most unique American classics ever built.
Car number 2, 1952 Packard 200, $5,000. Next up is this 1952 Packard 200 from Henderson, Texas. Under the hood sits a 288 cubic inch straight-8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The seller says the car has received new brakes, wiring, shocks, and tires, along with a 12-volt electrical conversion. Best of all, the engine reportedly runs well. Back in the 1950s, Packard was known for building premium luxury cars, and this example still carries plenty of that old-school style and charm.
Car number 3, 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, $5,000. This 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe comes from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, with a $5,000 price tag. The biggest thing to know is that the car doesn't have an engine, making it the perfect project for someone looking to build a classic Mustang from the ground up. The paint is a couple of years old, and the seller also included new trim pieces, emblems, door handles, and a replacement dashboard. Finding parts for a first-generation Mustang is easy, which makes this one even more appealing. Car number 4, 1949 Dodge Sedan, $5,500. Here's a 1949 Dodge Sedan, located in Springfield, Missouri, listed for $5,500. Power comes from a flathead 6-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission. The seller says the car runs and drives, and all the chrome trim is still there. The biggest drawback is the hail damage, and the interior will need some work. Still, the classic styling and original details give this Dodge plenty of character and lots of potential. Car number 5, 1967 Oldsmobile 442, $9,500. Last but not least is this 1967 Oldsmobile 442 from Kenner, Louisiana, listed for $9,500. The seller says this is a genuine 442 and not a clone. Under the hood is a 455 Rocket V8 backed by a 4-speed manual transmission. It also features numerous upgrades, including a new clutch, fuel system components, headers, and stainless steel brake lines. There is some rust, but authentic muscle cars like this always attract attention, especially at this price point. Car number 6, 1966 Ford Ranchero, $10,000. Here's a 1966 Ford Ranchero from Conroe, Texas, with an asking price of $10,000. This classic is finished in red with a matching red interior and comes equipped with a manual transmission. The seller didn't provide many details, but the Ranchero has always occupied a unique place in American automotive history because it combines the comfort of a car with the usefulness of a pickup truck. With fewer than 50,000 miles showing on the odometer, this one could be an interesting project or weekend cruiser for the right buyer. Car number 7, 1964 Cadillac DeVille, $7,900. Next up is this beautiful 1964 Cadillac DeVille located in Dallas, Texas. The seller says the car runs and drives and comes with a clean title. The biggest issue appears to be a set of tires that will need replacing. The 1964 model year represents one of the most iconic periods in Cadillac history, with elegant styling, plenty of chrome, and the kind of road presence that only a classic luxury car can deliver. At just under $8,000, this DeVille offers plenty of vintage style for the money.
Car number 8, 1963 Ford Fairlane, $4,500. Despite the title of the listing, this is actually a 1963 Ford Fairlane two-door hardtop located in Crosby, Mississippi. Power comes from a 289 V8 engine connected to a 3-speed automatic transmission. According to the seller, the engine runs, but ignition problems are keeping the car off the road at the moment. The body is said to be in solid condition, with only minor rust and a hole in the hood. With a little work, this classic Ford could be back on the road in no time.
Car number 9, 1966 Chevrolet Impala, $6,000. This 1966 Chevrolet Impala from Springfield, Missouri definitely has both strengths and weaknesses. Under the hood sits a 327 V8 engine paired with a 2-speed power glide transmission. The car's received a new fuel pump along with suspension bushings and ball joints. On the other hand, the seats need attention. The exhaust system leaks, one wheel stud is broken, and the hood hinges should be replaced. Even so, the seller says the headliner is in good condition, making this a promising restoration project.
Car number 10, 1971 Chevrolet C10, $8,000. We'll finish this group with a 1971 Chevrolet C10 from Bel Air, Texas. The seller kept the description short and simple, saying that the truck runs, drives, and comes with paperwork for the title. Buyers are advised to bring a trailer. The early 70s C10 models remain extremely popular because of their simple construction, timeless styling, and huge aftermarket support. This one looks like another solid foundation for somebody's next classic truck build.
Car number 11.
There it is, homie. She fires up. Let me know what you think. She hasn't started in about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Put the battery jumper on it, little ether down the... Fired up.
1947 Pontiac Torpedo, $5,000. Here's a 1947 Pontiac Torpedo from Branson, Missouri, listed for $5,000. Power comes from an inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. According to the seller, the car runs and drives, and the only reason for the sale is that another project has taken priority. The Torpedo represents a fascinating period in American automotive history, when manufacturers were transitioning from pre-war designs into a completely new era. This one could be an excellent choice for someone looking for a unique classic. Car number 12, 1965 Ford Mustang, $6,500. Next up is this 1965 Ford Mustang from Floresville, Texas, with an asking price of $6,500. Under the hood is an inline 6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The seller recently replaced the engine gaskets and added a front disc brake conversion. There are 2 small rust spots, and the seats will need to be reupholstered. The engine runs, but the driveline still needs additional work before the car returns to the road. For Mustang fans, this could be a rewarding project. Car number 13, 1964 Studebaker Cruiser, $1,500. This 1964 Studebaker Cruiser is one of the most unusual vehicles in today's lineup. Located in St. Joseph, Missouri, the car carries a price tag of only $1,500. However, it doesn't run and there's no title included. The seller reinforced the frame, installed new floor panels, and added a Ford 8.8 rear axle. An aluminum 5.3-liter V8 engine and a turbo 350 transmission are also included, although both will require rebuilding. This is definitely a project, but it could become something special. Car number 14, 1965 Dodge Polara, $500. Here's a very affordable project, a 1965 Dodge Polara from Austin, Texas. The seller says the car is mostly complete, but the floors need extensive repairs, and there isn't a title included with the sale. At only $500, this classic Mopar could become a donor car, a restoration project, or even the foundation for a rat rod build. Either way, it's hard to ignore a full-size American classic at this price.
Car number 15, 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, $6,500. We'll wrap things up with this beautiful 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air from Anderson, Missouri. The seller didn't provide many details, but the car is reported to have around 2,500 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. The 1953 Bel Air remains one of the most recognizable Chevrolets ever built, thanks to its chrome trim, elegant styling, and unmistakable 50s appearance. Even after more than 70 years, this classic still turns heads everywhere it goes.
That's our lineup for today. Now I want to know which vehicle you would take home if you had the money. Would it be the Mustang, the Cadillac, the Oldsmobile 442, or something completely different? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for the next collection of affordable classic cars for sale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.